understand, biggest spiritual practice is contemplation and internalizing. Just contemplate. Just contemplate. Internalize. This thought current for a week. If you also do Vakyartha Sadas on this subject, means when you internalize, your success, your failure, your understanding, your misunderstanding. You see, Vakyartha Sadas does not mean you have to agree with what I am saying. No. That's the beauty of Hindu tradition. Most democratic religion. We are thoroughly based on inspiring, educating, understanding. There is no set of do's and don'ts. Understand? Our whole Upanishads is all about the enlightening thought currents. No do's and don'ts. There is no do's and don'ts. The human brain has evolved to a certain level now. It is not going to accept any political theology or social philosophy or religious ideologies which is based on do's and don'ts. The do's and don'ts theologies, philosophies, ideologies are outdated. The human brain is not going to accept anymore and live based on do's and don'ts theologies. It's over. It's over. It is only going to accept the traditions where you are encouraged to see the end of your own thought current. Upanishads are thought currents offered to you. You are encouraged to discover, understand? I am celebrating Hinduism not because I am born in it, but because I discovered it. Understand? Not because I am born in it, but because I am born from it. Upanishads encourage only thought currents. Vakyartha Sadas means not agreeing or accepting what I am saying. When you are applying this thought current, when you are practicing for next few days, if you have a click, some clarity, share that. If you feel it is not working out for you, share that. Because many times people will learn from you what to do and what not to do. When you share even your failures, people will learn from that what not to do. From your success, they will learn what to do. From your failure, they will learn what not to do. So, have Vakyartha Sadas in YouTube. The whole global Sangha can have Vakyartha Sadas. Go to comment section and share what is the result of your contemplation on this thought current. And please be very clear, you are neither expected to accept nor expected to reject. I am not expecting both from you. Sit, work with this thought current. The revelations you have by internalizing, the understandings you have by internalizing. If you feel something, is really working out, share that. If you feel some things are not working out, share that. Do Vakyarth Sadas. The YouTube comment section is the best place to do Vakyartha Sadas. I think the global Sangha should take up Vakyartha Sadas as one of the important spiritual practice. Understand, in the Vedic tradition, transformation of thought current is education. Vidya means transformation of your thought current. Chew this thought current. Don't swallow. Chew. Chew this thought current of everything manifested, good or bad, right or wrong, whatever I am seeing as my life, health or disease, youth or old age, poverty or wealth, friendliness or enmity, acceptance or rejection, support or opposition, everything you manifest is from the stuff you are made. The stuff is from you. You are the source. So many thought currents in you will be revealed which attracts enemies. So many thought currents in you you will see which attracts friends. You will have so much of revelation. Actually, when you understand this thought current, even if you are having certain incompletions with this thought current, means you'll say, I understand many places what Swamiji says is true, but in this 2-3 places, I don't think why I attracted this. I don't think this thought current is truth in those few incidents. Even if you have few incompletions like that, it's okay. Contemplate, chew this thought current, because each of this thought current, when you chew them to your capacity, I can open up new power circuits in you. Understand? The new power circuits in you.